Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, calculator doesn't work in Windows 10. First method is click Start button, Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Select Calculator, click Advanced option. Click Reset. Second method is, type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into PowerShell window. Type exit to exit PowerShell window. Calculator program is removed from your program list. Click Microsoft Store. Select Apps and search Calculator. Click Install. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.